What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. All right, folks, so strap in, grab a coffee, and put your phone on silent. Well, unless you're watching on your phone, in which case don't. Just don't text while watching this. So I've got something kind of rad to show you today. So recently, I reviewed this bad boy, the Telesin neck mount for action cams and phones, which made me feel like Batman. Well, if Batman was into P.O.V. hiking shots instead of crime fighting. Anyway, after that review, I figured, hey, let's test the waters. So I hit a Telesin like, yo, what's up with that rechargeable selfie stick of yours? Worst case scenario, I get ghosted. Best case, this shows up. Now, they sent it over, so full transparency, they didn't pay me. There's no brand deal, no dancing monkey obligations, just simple, hey, check it out, tell people what you think, which is great because if it sucks, you will hear about it. So let's open this bad boy and see what we get. All right, so we have, this is the GoPro attachment here. Oh wow, look at that. It comes with an extra GoPro door, but I believe this is only for the GoPro 9, 10, 11, and 12. I have the GoPro Hero 8, so it's not gonna work for me, but it's still a pretty cool thing. Let's see, what do we got here? We got, okay, this is the T-screw and the USB charging cable. And then there's this. All right, so first impression, the grip feels like the neck mount's long lost cousin. It's super soft, it's silicone, it's like shaking hands with a cloud that moisturizes. This thing is boasting 10,000 milliamp hours. That's double the GoPro Volta, which tops out at around 4,900 milliamp hours. There's also this 1/4 thread on the bottom. For what though? Lightsaber attachment? Pogo stick module? Wait. What? Dude, it extends. I didn't know it did that. I feel like an idiot, but also a happy idiot. Okay, so if this extends, what's the mount for? Wait a second. I've created life. That's so awesome. All right, let's get this thing outside and let's see what it can do. Hey, what's going on? So right now I'm testing out this Telesin rechargeable selfie stick. Now, call me stupid. You can. When I first took this out of the box, I didn't know that it extended. So yeah, so it extends. And you can put, it has a 1/4 mount on the bottom. And you can actually add attachments to the bottom, which I have and I'm using for a handle right now. I prefer to hold it by the Telesin bank because it just feels better. But the reason I have this extra piece is so I can just stand it up. I can extend it, and then my little piece here, I'll show you. This little piece right here will go on the bottom, and it's a little mini tripod. So it's metal or aluminum, and if I sit this down, it's like having a tripod just videoing me. So really cool. This thing, I charged my GoPro in, I don't know, man, probably 45 minutes to an hour, something like that. Now I could be getting that wrong, but that's what it seemed like. It seemed like it was about an hour. So this is actually really cool. This, when I contacted Telesin, I had one thing in mind, and that was my trip that I'm taking in July, the end of July. And we're gonna be hiking trails and seeing waterfalls and things like that. And I figured that would be a good opportunity to shoot some footage for the channel, get some, family stuff, and just overall just video, B-roll, regular video. And one of the things that I run into a lot is my GoPro batteries just die. They just die. I'd be walking around and I'll be in the middle of filming something and it just turns off. And then I have to wait until I get back to my car, go into my camera bag or wherever the batteries are and replace the battery, hoping that I have one that's charged. Half the time, they're not. So that was the main reason for this. It's really cool. Another cool thing is that on the back, there's where you charge it, there's another USB port and you can plug in your phone or a second GoPro to charge at the same time. Like right now, I'm shooting in 4K 30 and the Telesin power bank or the Telesin Rechargeable Selfie Stick is powering my GoPro. It's still sitting at 100%. And I've been filming with it for quite a bit. So yeah, this thing is super awesome. So yeah. So this thing's pretty easy to work. It just extends like a selfie stick. That's all it does. But while it's charging, I can also stand it up. And now I have a tripod. So it's pretty cool, especially for what I plan on using it for. You're hiking a trail, you're like, ooh, that's cool. Sit that up, got shots of your kids, whatever. And you pick it up and you move on. That quick, simple. Okay, so call me impressed. Where has Telesin been hiding? So many things about this are awesome. Like the little USB port down at the bottom. It's not just for charging the stick. No, it's a power bank. So you can vlog or use your action cam while it charges and charge your phone at the same time. This thing is a beast. I've charged my GoPro 3 times with it already while vlogging and it's still kicking. There's like one light showing power. I could probably squeeze out 5 charges before it even blinks twice. And get this, I'm taking this on my photography trip this summer. Extended vlog reach, emergency power brick. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of content creation. It's light, it's comfy, it doesn't feel like I'm lugging around gym equipment. Even with my aluminum mini tripod attached, it still feels usable. I'm honestly blown away by this thing, and Telesin in general. You guys are quietly killing it. All pros here, haven't found any cons, which kind of freaks me out. Like, did I miss something? Did I enter a parallel universe where all the gear just works? So what do you think? Is this something that you'd actually use? Let me know down below. And hey, affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out and toss a coin to your boy. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack featuring 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. So until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll catch you in the next video.